are here in Quirino, trying to view this area where we come to for lunch. We drop by here for lunch. It's a beautiful place. We're coming to attend the wedding of my niece. And we drop by here for lunch. It's Quirino province. We are here to eat for lunch. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful area. We're trying to enjoy here the Sunhouse Train. Trying to have lunch here before we go to the wedding of my niece at 4 o'clock. So we'll have lunch here first. It's a nice place. I'm right here under the sand. It's it's very hot, but it doesn't matter. Trying to get more views. They have the pastries. They look so good. I love all their pastries. Ikaw ang mag-decide na lang.
Calcium daw.
Tastes so good.
Ano ba ito?
I love it.
Ito.
Ano mga carbonara or Italian spaghetti?
Ha?
Carbonara or Italian spaghetti?
Italian na lang.
Kanya.
Italian na lang sa akin. It's so beautiful here. It's so
Wala
cold.
po dyan pa.
Okay lang. Kunin ko yung back view kasi.
Wala po dyan po.
Hindi dito. It's a nice place. There are bougainvilleas here too. It's like little Baguio. This must be beautiful place. During nighttime, I guess. This must be a beautiful place when it's nighttime. Trying to get my face for this video.
Ow, ow, ow!
Tama.
Let's go.
We are here at the mountain place at a restaurant where it's located. Elevated. It's an elevated place. It's almost an hour drive from our place to here. It's beautiful. I love it here. It's so beautiful. There's the gasoline station where we drop by to have gasoline. Then we climb up here to eat. This is an elevated place. We climb up here for lunch. It's an elevated place. There is the step where we climb up. This is the step where we climb up. This is Quirino
Bakit sa
province.
side mo?
The wedding of my niece will be at 4 o'clock. We came earlier because we have to drive from our place to here, then have lunch, then my grandson will have practice as he is a flower, doing the flower girls and the boys. So we will be there. We have to go to the hotel where we check in first. After lunch, we will go and see we will go to the hotel where we check in. It's nice here. There is mountain here. This is a small restaurant, but it's cozy. It's a cozy place. But I like here because the view is very beautiful. Nighttime must be very beautiful, for sure. So while waiting our lunch, I'm trying to get some views here. We're preparing our lunch, so I'm waiting. We are waiting for our lunch. I'm trying to get this view. It's quite hard. Thanks